Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about an interesting stock pick, which is particularly quite relevant in times of this economic uncertainty and geopolitical tensions around the world. If you're looking to invest and diversify your portfolio with gold and silver, one of the options to take exposure to the precious metal is by investing in gold stock. Yes, you heard it right. Gold is known for its safe haven nature. Canada is a country that is rich in natural resources, and as the prices of gold continues to rise, if your portfolio does not contain gold or any other precious metals, I have done my financial research on one such stock with a stable business that can also help in long term to hedge against inflation and market volatility. Let's talk Franco Nevada Corporation. It is a large cap Canadian stock that specializes in financing global gold mining companies through royalties and streaming. It generates revenue by receiving a percentage of the miner's revenue or by purchasing a portion of precious metal production at a fixed or a discounted price. This makes its business model inflation resistant and cost efficient, as it does not require high capital expenditure or incur high operational mining costs. The company also has exposure to the energy sector, which provides diversification and potential benefits from different market conditions and commodity price movements. If you look at the revenue diversification breakdown, 70% is contributed by precious metal, with gold at 55% and silver at 11%. Oil and gas energy accounts for 26%, and the remaining 4% is iron ore and other commodities. The company also has revenue diversification across different regions, including Canada, USA, South and Central America, and Mexico. Its assets are diversified across various stages of development in miners, with exploration stage accounting for a high share. Franco Nevada's client portfolio includes major global mining companies like Newmont, First Quantum, Barrick, to name a few. This further enhances its diversification as it's not reliant on a single mining project or miner. One of the biggest growth drivers is the company's aim to continue its diversification strategy across different geographies, commodity, and stages of mining projects. This is to mitigate the portfolio concentration risk. The company has a clear indication of 5-year long-term growth profile from its organic revenue-generating royalty and streaming projects. It expects annual output to rise between 760,000 to 820,000 ounces of gold by 2027. Franco Nevada's strong relationships with mining companies will continue to benefit the company by leveraging its expertise, industry knowledge, and financial resources. Its cost-efficient business model with low operational and capital need allows for generating large cash flows, which can be used for strategic acquisition or divestments based on market condition and project performance, even during the commodity price downturn cycles. The company's share price is currently trading at 206 Canadian dollar with 1-year return nearly flat. As I always encourage you to be a long-term investor, the 5-year absolute return for Franco Nevada is high at nearly 150%, and 10-year return are solid at more than 400%. These returns have significantly outperformed both the Toronto Gold Global ETF Index and Toronto Stock Exchange returns. Franco Nevada also provides an opportunity to earn quarterly dividends in addition to potential capital appreciation. With a dividend payout of only 28%, there is enough room for increasing the dividends in future. Nearly 75% of the company's share are owned by institutional investors. The company's largest shareholder is Fidelity Investment, followed by Massachusetts Financial Services and Rennick Associates. Vanguard Group is also among the top 5 shareholders. Now let us quickly look at the financial performance of the business over the past 5 years. The total annual revenue have increased at a 5-year CAGR of 50% as of December 2022. Net income has also been increasing at a 5-year CAGR of 38%. The key highlight is a very solid balance sheet with zero debt, increasing equity at a 5-year CAGR close to 7%. Total assets have also increased at a 5-year CAGR of 6%. The company has a high cash available of $1.6 billion as of December 2022. Franco Nevada has a positive and increasing cash flow from operations with 5-year CAGR of 16%. Despite commodity price pressure in past 1 year, the company managed to generate positive free cash flow close to $950 million in the last year. Return on common equity is close to 11%, indicating favorable profitability for shareholders. As a long-term investor, if you're looking to invest in business that has exposure to gold, silver, and energy, but having to not deal with many risk and high operating expenses in gold mine, this is one of the most stable and diversified businesses to consider in your portfolio. This is unlike most of the peers in the industry. Overall, 5-year long-term revenue generation visibility with diversification strategy, increasing profitability with cost-efficient business model, strong relationship with mining companies, solid balance sheet with zero debt, and an added passive income source with consistent dividends definitely makes Franco Nevada a long-term let's talk gold option. Do let me know in the comments below what are your thoughts on Franco Nevada and if you want me to research on any other stock. Watch out for my next video on the similar multi-bagger Indian stock in gold business. Do subscribe to my channel and follow for more such content.